Hey, what's up everyone? It's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my PinnaKle review. Now I'm here inside of the members area of PinnaKle, as you can see, and during this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of exactly what is inside of here. Basically, in a nutshell, PinnaKle is an online cloud-based app that's going to allow you to get traffic from TikTok. Now it has an inbuilt TikTok video maker where you can basically arbitrage videos from YouTube onto TikTok, and you can monetize it using affiliate offers. So it has a TikTok video maker, it has SEO inside of here to help you rank your TikTok videos and your YouTube videos. It also has what's called a link wheel, which will get you backlinks on autopilot, which will also help you to rank your TikTok videos and your YouTube videos as well. So the members area looks like this, and if it's something that you're interested in, then stick with me because I'm going to go into more detail on exactly what is inside of here. I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who'd like to pick this up via my link, which if you're watching on YouTube is down below in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page. It's going to look like this, which you may be already on watching this video right now if you come through from my email. Just to let you know that this is going to be going live on the 3rd of September at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. So that's when the buttons on my bonus page here will be live at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, on the 3rd of September. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Now, if you want to pick this up, you need to click on any of these orange links as of that time. That will bring you through to the sales page that will look like this, where you can go ahead and pick this up. You'll need to pick it up before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when it does, all of my bonuses will expire, and obviously that's something that I don't want you to miss out on. So I'm just going to run through my bonuses now, and just bear in mind you'll get these all completely free of charge, and they will be instantly delivered to you when you pick up PinnaKle through any of the links down below. Okay, so bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how to rank your YouTube videos, and this is something that I know a lot about. And if you see my YouTube channel, you see my videos, you'll see that most of my videos rank in the number 1 to number 3 spot every single time I put a video out. That's because I know what I'm doing, and I'm sharing all this knowledge with you inside of bonus number 1 right here. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you how to create a professional affiliate campaign from A to Z. This includes creating a bonus page, putting bonuses on it, making a review video, all of that stuff from A to Z that you can then go and plug into the traffic that you will get from PinnaKle. Okay. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you access to VidChomper. This is a software that me and Brendan released last year, and it will allow you to take any YouTube video, sandwich it in between an introduction and an outro, so that you can basically use any other person's video as your own and make money from it. And this software will do all of the work for you. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you access to my YouTube ads course. Now, this is another thing that I know a lot about. You've probably seen my YouTube ads all over YouTube. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I do inside of bonus number 4, so you can replicate this for yourself as well. Bonus number 5, I've got a ton of bonuses from the vendor for you. These are going to include all the ones on this page. So you got how to create a 6-figure membership, 100 products with resale rights. That's a lot. So you can resell these products as if they are your own, which is cool. Agency business WordPress theme. You got Amazon auto search plugin. You got automatic legal page creator, auto reach profit plugin. You've also got a case study of 2.9 free visitors from other content. Make money as a beta tester, digital product blueprint, product review template, 1 million views in 10 minutes of work, case study how to generate 300,000 unique visitors, and also buyer traffic masterclass. So all of those from the vendor, including all of my custom bonuses I just mentioned to you just now, are all yours completely free of charge when you pick up PinnaKle through any of the orange buttons on my bonus page right here, which you can access by clicking on the link down below if you're watching on YouTube. Okay, so to pick up these, you just need to click on any of these orange buttons, go through to the sales page. That is interesting. We'll talk about that in a second. And then go ahead and pick this up. Now, as soon as you picked it up, you simply need to go through to your Warrior Plus account. In the top right hand side, you're going to see your username. Just click on purchase history, click on PinnaKle, and that will bring you through to your receipt that will look something like this. We can go ahead and pick this up and get all of the bonuses right there. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the sales page right now. And it says here, a 16-month big tech traffic experiment has just begun, and it's already making some marketers very rich. See how this brand new traffic pipeline feeds us. Autopilot commissions every single day. Go and watch the sales video right there. We got some traffic stats on here. Okay, so right, let's talk about this pop-up right now, because the front end price of this is going to be $19, okay? And for that $19, you'll also get access to all the bonuses and the vendor bonuses that I mentioned to you just before. But it seems like there is a discount on the sales page which will allow you to get $7 off. Okay, so it'll take that price down from $19 down to $17, right? Just by, okay, how do you do this? Well, basically once you come through to the sales page and you try to exit the sales page, this pop-up will come up which will give you a $7 discount, and it will take the price down from $19 all the way down to $17, and all the way down to $12, and you'll still get access to all the bonuses that I mentioned to you at the beginning, right? Which is pretty cool. So I'm saving you some money right there. Anyway, this is the sales page. Check it out in your own time. You're going to see some traffic stats on here. You're going to see some income proof, and you're going to see a bunch more stuff. There's some testimonials on here too. Right, check it out in your own time. I'm not going to spend too much time going through this because it is pretty lengthy, as you can see. I'm just going to jump into the dashboard right now and show you around. So it looks like this. This is a dashboard where you get all of your stats. First of all, you're going to have to integrate this with Google, with your Google app settings. Okay, so it shows you how to do that on here. All you need to do is basically integrate it down here. Okay, and then after you've done that, you can import your YouTube channel and your TikTok channels, and then you can get on to the creation of these TikTok videos. And you've got a ton of templates that you can use right here from the get-go. And all you would need to do is choose one of these templates and then start editing it, right? And you can edit this with whatever stuff you want. Okay, you can put a new video in here, okay? By editing it there, you can put images over the top, you can put text over the top, call to actions, so you can say click in the link down below, or whatever you want to do. You can even go and edit this video as is, or you can go and add in your own videos from YouTube or other people's videos that you can then upload to TikTok, right? So that's how the video editor works. Let me just go back, and as you can see, there's a ton of templates you can use straight off the bat here, which are ordered into, well, you can go and search for a keyword, you can go and use popular ones, you can go and use the latest videos that have been uploaded, you can go and use celebrity videos, you can search by hashtags, or you can use music related videos as well. So once you've created your videos, then you can access all the videos that you've created here in your created videos files, and then you can go and upload them into TikTok. But before you do that, you can do some research on trending videos. You can go and put like make money, and you can go and search for different popular hashtags that are available on here. You've also got your channel manager here where you can go and auto set up like and comment campaigns. So you can go and like other people's TikTok videos to go and get some awareness on your channel. You can do that through here. You can go and manage all your subscriptions here. You've got your video manager, your playlist manager, and your upload manager, which is all done from within the PinnaKle app. You don't even need to open up your TikTok after you've integrated it. You've also got a template manager here where you can go and auto reply to people that comment on your videos with affiliate links or whatever links that you want, so you can monetize it. And you've also got templates which will automatically comment whenever people either leave a comment or subscribe or whatever. You've also got a search engine for different videos on YouTube, for channels on YouTube, and also playlists. You've got a keyword finder. Okay, you've also got an auto reply feature, which we talked about just before, but you can create a full campaign around this auto reply feature, which will hopefully get you some more engagement on your TikTok videos. You've got rank tracking, which will check the rankings of your videos and make sure that they're going up and not down. You've also got what's called a link wheel in here. Now, a link wheel will create backlinks. So if somebody watches your TikTok video and comments, then it will send an automatic blast to another social media channel and another social media channel and link them up in what's called a link wheel, which ultimately gets you more backlinks to your video. And without all the technical jargon, it basically makes your video go further up the search engine. So it'll get you more exposure, more engagement, and ultimately make you more money. Now, there's also training inside of here as well, okay, which is going to show you how to use the app. And it's taken a while to load up, but I know that these guys have training videos inside of here. So if you get stuck at any point with any of these different features that they have inside of PinnaKle, you can refer to the training videos and get the help that you need. There's also a support desk here where you can get the support that you need at any time that you want to. So let's talk about the prices and the upsells. Everything that I just showed you, like I said, is going to be $19, but if you use that little hack that I showed you on the sales page where you try to exit and this pop-up comes up, you can get a $7 discount, which means that you can pick up this awesome members area, this awesome app for just $12. And also you will get access to all the bonuses I mentioned to you at the beginning as well as part of that $12 price point. So upsell number 1, and I don't have any details on the upsells, but I do know that upsell number 1 is going to be $29. Usually this is going to be some kind of pro version which will remove any kind of limitations that you have on the front end and that's going to be $29. OTO number 2 is going to be $39. Again, I have no idea what that is. OTO 3 is going to be $197. I don't know what that is either. OTO 4 is going to be $39. And OTO 5, which is probably going to be license rights or some kind of coaching, is going to be $197. So look out for those upsells. Get more information when you land on those individual sales pages. There's also a demo video on my bonus page, which I can't see right now because it's on Vimeo and my IP address blocks Vimeo. But there is a detailed demo video on my bonus page if you want to watch that, and you can do that by clicking on the link down below if you're watching on YouTube right now, and go and watch that demo video. Also, don't forget to check out my bonuses. Remember, all of these bonuses are yours 100% free of charge when you pick up PinnaKle through any of the orange buttons on my bonus page here. Basically, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching my PinnaKle review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care.